Hi guys, Jeremy back again from School of Wok. It's Wok Wednesdays once again, but this week it's a Wok-less Wednesday and we're doing a green mango and prawn salad. So I've got some whole tiger prawns here that I'm using for my salad. So there's a little trick as to how you get the tube out, and that's just a little toothpick, you see? So you just poke the toothpick through and then you can pull it out. So I've got my 6 prawns ready to go. I'm going to blanch these in the boiling water for about 3 minutes. So it doesn't take long to cook your prawns. Once they've got that sort of corally pink colour all the way through, they are ready. Just going to cool those so that they're easier to peel and go into my salad. I've got these beautiful green mangoes here. And the great thing about a green mango is its texture and its natural sour flavour. And that's what makes this salad. You can swap it out with green papaya, which is also relatively difficult to find if you're not lucky like we are in central London. Or Granny Smith apples, or a really sour apple works really well too. The easiest way is to actually just get a good chunk off it first, and then you're going nice fine slices. Just sort of lay it flat so it's easy enough to what French call julienne, or in Asian terms matchsticking. Asian way is generally just a lot more literal. You want things matchsticked? Matchstick it. You want things cut? Cut it. That's what we call a Chinese spiralizer. Just a very sharp knife. I'm just gonna sort of slice nice thin slices of spring onion into this. Lovely coriander here. I'm just gonna pick the leaves into it. If you are cutting your coriander, don't waste the stalks. Always great to use every part. There's a lot of flavour in the stalks as well. So I'm going to start to sort of compile a sauce whilst I'm going. Mint leaves, mint, your chilli, so we've got a good amount of chilli in there, some garlic. Got a massive clove there, so that's pretty much the equivalent of 2 cloves. Finely chopped garlic, and then we're going to start to add your flavour and your lime juice. Thai food, Asian food in general, is all about balance of flavour. So I've clearly got my spicy, my savoury, or flavour from the garlic, and my sour from the lime juice. So I'm going to start to balance out that sour now with some palm sugar. And I want a good balance of sweet and sour before I start to add fish sauce for the saltiness. Just crush that palm sugar in nicely and melt it through. So I've got a few bits of palm sugar in there, so I'm going to sort of crush them down a little. Good. Got good sweet, good sour, ready for my fish sauce. I'd recommend sort of fish sauce 1 spoon at a time. This is to give it this sort of salty, savoury flavour. So try that. That's 1 spoon of fish sauce. Almost there. I think 1 more spoon should do it. Oh yeah, that's hot. Just keep killing my taste buds, why not? Yes, we are there. Good balance, sweet, sour, salty, and the spice clearly from the chilli. You can of course buy pre-roasted peanuts. We've just got blanched peanuts here, so I'm just going to give them a light toast. Meanwhile, my dressing can pretty much go straight over the salad. Peanuts, prawns, just going to peel. So, just going to crush my peanuts lightly. Don't want to over crush. Quite like it a little bit coarse. Some fried shallots here as well. And a little pinch of sea salt, just to season. You got your green mango, your prawns on the side, that good bit of crunch. Nice and simple, light dinner or lunch. Prawn and green mango salad. So, moment of joy. Absolutely love dishes like this. Perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, spicy, good texture from the prawns, but natural savoury as well. If you like this recipe and you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.